Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hola amores, bem-vindo no meu canal. So this video is all about this beautiful men's braid. Esse vídeo é sobre esse lindo trança masculina. As you can see, his hair is very short. It's very short. This is the second time I'm doing his hair. The hair grew a little because the first time I handled his hair, it was very small, very short. But this time the hair increased a little. Como você tá vendo, o cabelo dele é bem curtinho. Essa é a segunda vez que tu faz o cabelo dele. Cresceu pouquinho, mas ainda tá bem curtinho. So the method I'll be using for his hair is feeding braid, because feeding braid look very natural and it will be very difficult to tell if I added attachment to his hair or not, because feeding braid looks so natural. So it's feeding braid that I'm using to do this braid for him. Method que eu vou usar para o cabelo dele é feeding braid. Você sabe, nós tem feeding braid, nós tem Ghana braid. So esse que tu fazer para ele é feeding braid. Feeding braid para homem é mais melhor. For men, feeding braid is the best to use. I don't like using Ghana braid for men. I believe feeding braid for men is better because it will come out natural. Since you want to pack it a little at the back, I braided it to the down a little, then later I tie it, and at the end I bond the tip of the braid. Doing a short hair like this is very challenging for me, because when you are trying to part it, when you are trying to divide it, the hair will be coming together. So what I did, I just used clip to hold the other side of the hair so that the hair will stay in place, that the one that I've divided will not enter the other one. As you can see, I use the clip to hold the other side, because even if I use hair band, it will not hold because it's not up to a packing. How will I say it? A packing. So I started the braid with attachment. The reason I started the braid with attachment is because his hair is very short, just like I've said earlier. His hair is very short, so there is no way I can start without using attachment. If I start his hair without attachment, I think it will not hold very well, so I started with attachment. Eu começo o cabelo dele com jumbo. Eu começo com jumbo porque o cabelo dele é bem pequeno. Em si, no começo jumbo não vai durar não vai ficar firme. So eu começo com jumbo para a trança dele ficar bem firme. I want to use this medium to thank every one of you that have been supporting me here on YouTube and on Facebook and on Instagram. I really appreciate you all. I see your comment, I see your like, I see your shares. I want to say thank you all for your support. Thank you and may God bless you all. Eu quero agradecer cada de vocês pelo seu apoio aqui no YouTube, no Facebook e no Instagram. Muito obrigada. Eu tô vendo seu apoio, tudo que você fez no meu canal, no meu channel, no minha página, no Facebook, Instagram. Muito obrigada. Que Deus abençoe cada de vocês. Muito obrigada. And if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, coming across my video, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and comment your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Thank you so much. Se hoje é a primeira vez que você está em contato com meu channel, com meu vídeo, por favor, inscreva no meu canal, curta esse vídeo, comenta o que você acha sobre esse vídeo, inscreva no meu canal também. Muito obrigada. Okay, back to the video. Just like I said earlier, I started this braid with attachment. Eu começo esse trança com jumbo. So I started feeding it in by adding the little attachment that I've separated before. I'll be adding it to the hair and be braiding it just the way you see me doing it now. So this was how I braid his hair. You get better understanding of this hair by paying attention to the way I'm adding the attachment to the braid. I will add a little attachment to the braid and flip it to the front and bring it back again, just like this. Take it to the front and take it again to the back and continue braiding. Add it to it, put it on top, take it to the front and take it again to the back. I will add again, flip it to the front and take it to the back again, just like this. This is how I'll be braiding his hair. So here I will stop adding braiding hair to this place because I don't want one to be bigger than the other. I want all the braid to be equal, so I stop adding braiding hairs to it, stop adding attachment to it. E quer tudo trança fica igual. So quanto chegar no meio, e pare de colocar mais jumbo. Só trança tudo para trás. Guys, look how beautiful this braid came out. So beautiful. So I'm going to the fourth line now. Gente, olha esse trança, que lindo. Agora estou no trança 4. 4 fileiras agora. As you can see, his hair is very short and his hair was coming out there, so I have to start all over again so that I can take that place in very well. I want his braid to last. This braid will last like 1 month or 1 month 2 weeks, but if we maintain it very well, it will get to 2 months. So that was why I started all over again. I don't want any of its hair to come out. E começo esse trança 4 de novo, porque eu vi lugar que cabelo dele sai para fora e quero a trança dele durar bastante, porque esse trança vai durar para ele 1 mês, 2 semanas. Se ele cuidar bem, vai durar 2 meses. So, por isso eu começo tudo de novo para colocar aquele lugar que sai para fora, para dentro, porque quero para esse trança durar para ele. Lovelies, if you have watched this video to this point, that means you are enjoying this video. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. Comment your thoughts about this hair. Amores, se você já assistiu esse vídeo até esse ponto, significa que você está gostando desse vídeo. Por favor, deixa joinha, inscreva no meu canal, me seguir no Facebook e Instagram. Comenta o que você acha sobre esse cabelo, sobre esse trança. So what I did there, I just cut the excess of the braid and bond the tip of the braid and clean the braid up, just the way you see me doing it now. Depois de trança, eu só queima a ponta de trança e começa a limpa, como você está vendo. Isso limpa para ficar bem limpinho. E depois ele vai cortar os lados. Ele vai cortar tudo os lados para ficar bem bonitinho. Tô colocando mousse agora. So later I will be cutting the side of his hair so that everything will look neat and fine. So I added mousse to his hair. They are tight so that everything will be smooth. Then I will use hand dryer to dry it. Guys, please give this video a like, comment your thoughts about this hair and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Gente, curta esse vídeo, comenta o que você acha sobre esse cabelo, inscreva no meu canal, me seguir no Facebook e Instagram. Gente, olha esse trança, que lindo! Que lindo! Depois ele vai cortar os lados. Que lindo! Olha atrás. Que lindo! Guys, check out this hair. Very beautiful. Look at the back. Very beautiful. Please like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is so beautiful. Came out so beautiful and neat. Gente, que lindo esse trança. Sai muito lindo, né? Muito obrigado por assistir. Que Deus abençoe a cada um de vocês. Muito obrigada. Até a próxima vídeo. Obrigada. Beijo, beijo. Ciao. Guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. God bless you all. Ciao, ciao.